Dyson Ball Multi-Floor Origin Upright has a self-adjusting cleaner head that automatically adjusts between carpets and hard floors, a ceiling and suction. The bristles on the brush bar have been made shorter and stiffer, allowing deeper carpet penetration while maintaining superior performance on hard floors. Its wand and hose release in one smooth action to make it easier to clean up high and under furniture. With hygienic bin emptying, there is no need to get your hands dirty, just push the button to release the dirt. And whole machine HEPA filtration ensures that allergens and bacteria are trapped inside the machine, not expelled back into the home. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Dyson Ball Multi-Floor Origin High Performance HEPA Filter Upright Vacuum Fuchsia Corded. Number 2. Instant Release High Reach Wand and includes accessories for all floor, delicate, pet and hard to reach surfaces. Radial Root Cyclone Technology captures dirt and microscopic dust. Self-adjusting cleaner head seals and suction across carpets and hard floors. Number 3. Includes Dyson Ball Origin Upright Vacuum Combination Tool, Stair Tool, Lifetime Washable HEPA Filter. Number 4. Ball Technology for easy steering. Certified asthma and allergy friendly. Traps allergens and bacteria. Whole machine HEPA filtration. No other vacuum expels cleaner air. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.